Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to our online class. So, this afternoon class, it's Friday. And to continue our lesson, I hope you still remember our class this afternoon. So, before that, let's have a review first. So this morning, you learn about the different kinds of solid, liquid, and gas form, right? So we have here ice, hail, dew, vapor, ocean, snow, and steam. So you learned these things this morning. Okay, and to continue also, we talk about water cycle. So there are three process of water cycle. Those are from collection, we have evaporation, then condensation, and precipitation. So these are the three water cycle. Now let's learn more about water cycle class. Okay, so this morning you learn what are the different forms of water and its kind. Okay, so this morning in your book, if you have your book already, you can answer at page 18 in your book. You can answer. Okay, so in your book, complete the crossword puzzle by following the instructions. So you have here there different clues. So for example, number one, water vapor changes to water droplets. Okay, what do you call that process? It's water vapor changes into water droplets. So what process is that? That process is called collection. Okay? That is for the cross. Okay? That is for the, I mean across. Okay? Sorry. This question is for down. Okay? This one is for across. Okay. Again, number one, oceans and lakes collect the water that has fallen. That has fallen. So that process is called collection. Look at the arrow in your book. There is an arrow. That is your clue. And for the down, water vapor changes water droplets. That is condensation. Okay? Condensation. Then number two, the center of the solar system, we have the sun. Okay? Class, the center of the solar system is the sun. And for number three, we have evaporation. So evaporation, it is water rises. That is called evaporation. And for number four class, rain or snow falls from the sky. That process is called precipitation. Okay? Precipitation, rain or snow falls from the sky. And the last one, class, that is for number five. These are created when water vapor joins dust particles. So this one, what do you call this one? That is cloud. Okay? Number one, collection, and down, condensation. Number two, sun. Number three, evaporation. Number four, precipitation. And number five, that is cloud. So answer your book at page 18. Now let's talk about water class. So there are many kinds of usage of water. Okay, uses of the water. So these are the uses of the water. We have for cooking. Water can be used for cooking, drinking, bathing, cleaning, brushing teeth, watering plants, washing clothes, washing dishes, washing the dog, and washing your hand. And this time of pandemic class, it is very important to have water. Why? You need to clean your house. You need to wash your hands properly by water. Okay, class, what are the uses of water? First, we have cooking, drinking, bathing, cleaning, washing hand, washing the dog, washing dishes, washing clothes, and watering plants. And last one, brushing teeth. So these are the uses of our water. Now let's practice. Okay, so again, class, write the uses of water. We use water for, we have here watering plants and washing clothes. What else? What water, what, how can water use? I mean, what are the uses of water? First is we have for cooking, next drinking, washing the dog, washing hand, bathing, brushing teeth, washing dishes, and last, cleaning. All right, so that is the uses of water. So that's all for this afternoon. I hope you were able to answer your textbook for next week. Again, this is Teacher LM, and I hope you have a great weekend. Okay, so goodbye, class, and have a great Friday. Goodbye. See you again on Monday.